Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the QDH massage gun. Now, I was contacted to make this review, but I am not being asked to say anything good or bad. Each of these thoughts are my thoughts, so an honest review. To get started, let's look at the price point of this massage gun. At the making of this video, a quick Amazon search lists the QDH massage gun at a slight premium, meaning it's a mid-range price gun, not the cheapest, but certainly not the most expensive. Therefore, let's judge it accordingly. Does this gun offer enough to pay a slight premium as opposed to cheaper options? And is it good enough to be a budget alternative to the pricier, top-of-the-line options? Here are my first impressions. Upon receiving the package, I first noticed how large the box was. This gun comes with 6 massage heads, so it makes sense. However, I couldn't help but think about the wasted space. Every massage gun company seems to pack their heads into the foam padding. It takes up a lot of space and they never stay fit. Overall, I do like the casing, however, it's well protected. Inside, there is also a small user manual and a charger. When you first hold the massage gun, you'll notice the LCD screen. This is something that comes on more premium massage guns. It's a nice addition and comes appreciated, especially at this price. Using the LCD screen, you can start the massage gun and control its power settings. The display also shows the power level you're currently on as well as the battery life. So only basic functions for now. I do, however, look forward to the day LCD screens are more integrated and can control different aspects of a massage gun. The QDH massage gun has a number of power settings, 20 in fact. As I mentioned in my other review, power settings don't matter to me much, but since they've been so nice to integrate it, I'll gladly test them out. Pushing through from power level 1 to 20, there doesn't seem to be much of a difference between each level. The biggest significant difference would be level 1, 10, and 20. Each stop in between only offers a slight increase in vibration. So for me personally, I think the number of power settings comes at a hindrance rather than an upside. For a person who wants precise control over the amount of pressure they are conducting, however, it'd be a plus. The transition between settings is smooth, and not very many massage guns have this number of power settings. The use and feel of the gun is up to par with other guns on the market. It's a nice matte feel with a solid weight to it. I'd give it points for build quality, not the worst, but certainly not the best. Like other brands, however, the massage heads themselves are made of cheap foam or plastics, so don't expect too much from them. Now, let's put it to use. For its function and purpose, this massage gun works exactly how a massage gun should. It's gentle, gets the job done, and is nice to carry. Switching between power settings is seamless, and the transitions between each power level is solid. One improvement possibility, however, would be the smoothness. I feel as if it has slightly a little more give than it does push. Take that with a grain of salt though, that might just be my mind rambling. Another thing to note is the battery charging time. Now, as I've mentioned before, I'm not a tech guy, but I did notice how fast it charged. I didn't time the battery life or charging time, but I was surprised to return and see it fully charged. Let's talk about motor noise. It's not something that bothers me, but I know people factor in this variable. This gun at the high setting is not as loud as the Apollo Kinetics massage gun, but I can't say it's particularly quiet either. So, not the most silent motor, but not unbearably loud. Who is this massage gun for, and would I recommend it? I believe this is a solid midway for the average consumer looking for more options. If you are looking for a massage gun with the minimum necessities, there are more budget options. However, if you favor having 6 massage heads, an LCD screen, and noticeably faster charge time at a fairly reasonable price, you should look into the QDH massage gun. With all things considered, I can recommend it.